From one season to another, from spring to summer, from May to June, my family and I like to discover new places and have new adventures. On one of our trips last month, we discovered this beautiful park in New Jersey that I wanted to share with you. It was so pretty to be here with all the beauty of the nature, flowers and trees. In today's video, I'm also sharing my recipe for homemade popsicles that the whole family will like. Recently the weather had been so hot and homemade ice cream is the best idea to have a quick refreshment. These popsicles have no sugar, they have whole milk and chocolate. So sweet and tasty that no one will believe that you made them yourself. And of course so healthy for the kids and for you. Simply mix 400 ml whole milk with 400 ml heavy cream, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, and the vanilla ice cream is ready to freeze. In this popsicle idea, I'm adding chocolate chips on the bottom and then the vanilla mix and let them freeze. Chocolate flavor, I mix the rest of the mixture with 3 to 5 tablespoons of sifted cocoa powder and mix well. When the first layer is ready, I add the chocolate one and freeze. you'll like this ice cream. More ice cream ideas are coming soon, so stay tuned!